Introducing the 2025 Chevrolet Colorado. The Colorado delivers the power you need to get the job done, the comfort and amenities you want, and the fuel efficiency that just makes sense in today's world. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: touchscreen infotainment system, turbocharged engine, navigation system, heated mirrors, satellite radio, alarm, Bluetooth connection, trailer hitch, 8-speed AT, rear-wheel drive. You'll look good and feel comfortable in the Colorado. Come in for a test drive today.